In this video you will learn how to use the web version of the PRIZM Wallet. To get started with the wallet in any internet browser, go to the page prism.space. You will be redirected to the GitHub portal account where you are hosted. The source file of the application for the Android mobile platform. Link to go to the web version of the wallet. Link to the technology wallet. Full-featured API for connecting PRIZM to third-party sites, exchanges or e-asset exchanges. Installer to run the Forger node for Windows and Linux platforms. Open Blockchain Explorer PRIZM. To work with the web version of the wallet, right-click on the link User-Friendly Online Wallet and open this link in incognito mode. A page has opened in front of you, where you can register a new wallet, or log into the previously created wallet in another browser or mobile application. To create a new wallet, follow the link registration. The system automatically generates for you the main part of the private key, consisting of 16 randomly selected words. Next, the system offers to enter additional 16 letters of the Latin alphabet in any place of the passphrase. You can enter 16 characters anywhere in the phrase. For example, let's do so. Go to the end of a phrase of 16 arbitrary words. Here you can enter something meaningful. For example, the phrase "I have a friend" contains 16 characters. This completes the formation of the private key, which is the password to enter the wallet account. The private key is generated in your browser, is not recorded anywhere else and is not transmitted anywhere. Therefore, its recovery is impossible. Be as careful. Save your private key on multiple media, take a photo, or better just copy it on paper and store it in a secure place. Select the passphrase. Copy it. Insert into a Word document and stored on disk. In order for no one to ever be able to steal your passphrase, it makes sense to remove the meaningful phrase you added to that phrase at the end. You wrote down something here that you probably won't forget. Therefore, when you save this passphrase, you leave only the main part in the document, and what you added you leave in your head. Either write it on a piece of paper, or save it in another file on another medium. So, we recorded an additional 16 characters. Rewrite them on paper. Remove. And save the passphrase in a truncated form. You can give any name to the file with the passphrase. The file name was automatically generated, so be it. Saved. After you have saved the passphrase, click Sign In. Next, enter what we have saved. Copy. Back in the wallet. Insert the phrase. We add an additional phrase from the head. And click Sign In. The system opens a PRIZM wallet for you. Let's look at its functionality. In the upper left, next to the logo, we see two numeric fields, denoted by the letters B and P. In the section designated by the letter B, in the numeric format up to 100th. The current wallet balance available for transactions is displayed. In the section indicated by the letter P, the PAR balance is displayed in numerical format. Go down to the line below. In the central part of the wallet field we see an alphanumeric code starting with the PRIZM prefix. This is your wallet address. Click on the wallet address. An additional window opens in which you see the QR code of your wallet. Wallet address, public key and identifier. These are the details of your wallet. You can freely transfer them to anyone. They do not give any account access. Close the window and go to the upper right corner of the screen. Here we see the send and exit buttons. Clicking send opens a window for you to enter the details of the wallet on which you are planning to complete the PRIZM transaction. To make a payment, you will need to specify the address of the recipient's wallet, the recipient's public key, the transfer amount and a text comment that the payee can read. I draw your attention to the fact that if we send PRIZM coins to a non-activated wallet, then we must enter the public key in this field. If the purse to which we are going to send coins has already been activated by someone earlier, then the public key field can be filled with a simple click in this field. We introduce the address of the wallet which has already been activated. Click in the field for the public key and the code is automatically loaded into it. That is, the public key is loaded from the blockchain. Further indicate the number of coins. For example, 10. We write the comment test submission and click on the proceed key. Since on the balance of our wallet, from which we were going to send 10 coins, there are not so many coins, the system gave an error message about filling the field. We can send just a message, but again, to send a simple message, you need to pay a commission of 0.05 coins. Therefore, not activated wallet is not able to send anything. Before activating the created wallet, you should save the details of your wallet in the same file that contains the private key, passphrase. To do this, copy the wallet address, public key and ID. We return to the file with the passphrase and insert the details. Thus, information is saved in our file. The most secret is the private key. But it is not complete. Part of the private key we have written in another place or in the head. The address of the wallet, which must be opened by a correctly entered passphrase, is the public key of the wallet. He will be required when we activate this wallet. You will have to send the address of the wallet and the public key to the person who will send you a coin to activate your wallet. We keep this information about the wallet and return to the wallet. Close the window in which the details of the wallet by clicking on the green button Close. Check several times the correctness of the private key. To do this, click Exit. We return to the file with the details of our wallet. We copy the main part of the password phrase. We return to the wallet. Click Sign In. Insert the main part. And append the missing part of the private key. Click on the green button Sign In. And we opened a wallet, whose address is depicted in purple letters. We compare with what you saved, and see the complete coincidence of the address of the opened wallet with the address that we saved in the file. That is, this suggests that there was a correct input of a private key, passphrase. Entering the passphrase to open the wallet is checked again. Click Exit, Sign In. Insert the main part of the password phrase. We add the missing part of the private key. Click on the green button. And again, we opened exactly the purse that we expected to open. This check is simply necessary so that you are sure that you have correctly preserved the main part. And the extra part of the passphrase that you add is also correct. That is, the same combination of entered parts of a password phrase opens the same wallet. Only then can you confidently activate and exploit this wallet. Consider one of the most secure, in my opinion, way to create a new wallet PRIZM. This is using a passphrase. To form it, you use a poem you know by heart that you know will never forget and you will easily enter. And you don't even need to save this information anywhere. Knowing perfectly this poem, you always lead a passphrase. Consider an example of such a wallet creation. In order to create a new wallet on this principle, which I said, we do not need to click on the registration button. And we click sign in. In the entry field in the form that opens, enter the poem. In order to ensure that no one at all could ever guess, or in some way by hacking, pick up the quote that you will enter here as a password phrase, do so. I enter a part of the poem in Russian letters on a keyboard with an English layout. At the same time on the screen Russian words are represented as some kind of abracadabra. I introduce Pushkin's poem with no punctuation marks. Frost and sun are a wonderful day. You doze each other, it's a beautiful time, beautiful, wake up. I click sign in. Further, according to this fragment of Pushkin's poem, some wallet was opened. He has this number. For control, I copy the details of the wallet and write the details in the MS Word file. Click paste, paste special, unformatted text, OK. I completely optional in this file, save this fragment of a poem which I spoke. Because I know this poem since childhood, I always remember it. Check. Close the wallet and exit. And I try to get back to the same wallet by entering the same fragment of the poem. Enter, Frost and sun a wonderful day, it's time to wake up beauty and click sign in. Opened wallet with this address. Compare this address with what I saved in the document. And if I did not allow when entering this phrase, known to me from childhood, not a single error. Then we see that exactly the wallet that was created by me by entering the password phrase known only to me was opened. Which is a fragment from Pushkin's poem. We see a complete match of addresses. No one but you can open this wallet. This is important. No one will be able to take away your coins from here, unless you, of course, will not tell everyone out loud what your private key is. Here's a great way to keep your PRIZM wallet funds as secure as possible. I must say that you can see the balance of the wallet, the state of the para mining counter, the transaction history without the use of a private key. Simply enter your wallet address when you log into the program https://wallet.prism.space/index.html. To log into the wallet with this address, copied wallet address. Insert. Here you need to enter either the wallet address or a passphrase. Check the entrance to the wallet address. Open the same wallet, what we see by looking at the wallet address located in the center of the screen. To activate your wallet, your inviter must send a coin to the address of this wallet with the public key. To the wallet was activated, enough to send him the 0.01 PRIZM. But in order for this wallet to start generating new coins, it is necessary that there is more than one coin on the balance of the new wallet. Consider the option when your inviter entered your wallet is not a passphrase, and the address of your wallet. At the moment, the inviter on the balance of 110 coins. The pair mining counter has counted more than 0.42 coins since the last wallet transaction. The last transaction was on June 22, that is past day and almost 2 hours. During this time, more than 0.42 new coins were generated on this wallet. The inviter is tasked with activating a new wallet of the person who was invited by the inviter to the PRIZM system. In order to perform the activation, the owner of the wallet clicks on the send key. Inserts the address of the wallet to be activated. If you click on the field public key, then filling this field with the public key code will not happen, because the system does not know this wallet. That is, there is no information about it in the blockchain. Therefore, when activated, you must fill in the public key field. Go back for this code. Information to the inviter to activate the wallet must be sent to the owner of the new wallet. To what extent? This is necessarily the address of the wallet and necessarily public key. The owner of the new wallet sent the public key to the inviter and he inserted it. You can send the details of a new wallet in different ways. By email. Or in a dialogue in any messenger. In order for the new wallet to be activated, it is enough to send 0.01 coins. We will send 2 coins. The inviter decided to activate the new wallet of his invitee with 2 coins. He can write any message in the comment. Write so, to activate a new wallet. You should pay attention to the fact that PRIZMOLOGY signed into your wallet without the use of a passphrase. Therefore, in order to make any transaction, that is, send coins, or send just some message, you must enter a passphrase. To do this, the owner of this wallet inserts the phrase of the wallet. After entering the passphrase, in order for this transaction to be executed, you need to click on the green button. This operation on the water passphrase was successful because the wallet calculated the cost of the commission. I must say that the commission for any transaction is charged in the amount of 0.5% but not less than 0.05 of the coin and not more than 10 coins. And in order to confirm the execution of this operation, click on the green button Submit. We see that there was a record, which indicates the time, the address of the wallet to which 2 coins were sent with a commission of 0.05 coins. And these 2.05 coins have already been deducted from the balance of the wallet. That is, as a rule, the interval between sending a coin and completing the formation of a record in the blockchain takes about 1 minute. Then it takes time to deliver 2 coins to the addressee. Now is not instantly there were these 2 coins in a new wallet. To do this, check the status of the new wallet. We leave this wallet and return to the wallet with the details of the new wallet. Use the wallet address to log in. Click Sign In. Enter the address of the new wallet. Sign in. It took a little more than 1 minute and was activated a new wallet with the address to which we are now logged in. We see a record of the incoming transaction, where it is written that the wallet of the inviter received 2 coins PRIZM. These 2 coins went to the balance of the new wallet and the steam counter of mining began to work. This is almost the minimum speed of generation of new coins, as the new wallet has no structure. The paramining speed for this balance corresponds to 0.12% per day. In order to see the message that accompanied this transaction, it was necessary to go to this wallet using a passphrase. Let's check. Exit the purse. We take the passphrase. Click Sign In. Enter the passphrase. We add additional secret characters. We remember these 16 letters, including spaces. And click Sign In. Unlike the previous opening of the wallet, when we went to the wallet address, the message was not available to us. As soon as we entered the wallet with the password phrase, we also saw the message that accompanied this transaction. Suppose that the owner of this wallet has found a person who wants to give the opportunity to participate in the PRIZM system. Then he activates the wallet of the invited person with coins from his wallet. In this case, the wallet that will be activated from this wallet becomes a follower of this wallet. And becomes in his structure. The total balance of the structure under this wallet has a significant impact on the speed of generation of new coins. The speed of paramining. In order to send any number of coins from this wallet, click Send. And we see that unlike the previous sending of coins, when the inviter of this wallet tried to perform a transaction, there was an additional field for entering a passphrase. Now we entered the wallet using a passphrase. Therefore, no additional passphrase is required to complete the transaction. Suppose that the owner of the purse decided to activate the wallet of his guest. To do this, he must specify the address of the wallet to which he is going to send the coins. Next, you must enter the public key, because this is a new wallet. Suppose that the owner of the purse wants to send 2 coins. Review, you can write, cannot write. Let's write some arbitrary comment, saying that everything is fine. Click the green button and get a refusal. On the balance of the purse 2 coins. But 2 coins from this wallet cannot be sent, since you need at least another 0.05 coins to pay the commission. Therefore, the wallet counted and issued a message that the maximum available number of coins to send is 1.95. Good. He decided to agree. But I must say that if this number of coins is sent, then the balance of this wallet will be 0. The generation of new coins will stop. But the wallet will be in working order. We agree with the maximum possible amount of sending. To send coins, click on the green button. The wallet requires confirmation of the creation of this transaction. It is stated here that a fee of 0.05 PZM will be charged for this transaction in the amount of 1.95 PZM. Agree. Click Submit. Wait about 1 minute. We see that the counter paramining just a few seconds turned into digital form. In fact, these coins flew away. And now let's see where they were taken. Copy this wallet address. We leave the new wallet. We go to the wallet address of the wallet to which we sent. And from which came 2 coins. Click Sign In. We see that with the new activated wallet came 1.95 coins. We have seen that the data balance and para balance are not updated instantly, since it is a decentralized system. It was necessary to wait a few minutes until the blockchain network confirmed the validity of the transaction. Here the transaction was carried out at 12:55 and paramining was made at 12:58, i.e. after 3 minutes. Paramining means that the value that was generated on the counter paramining to the date of dispatch 2 coins PRIZM corresponded to 0.42 coins. Three minutes after the creation of the blockchain transaction, new coins in the amount of 0.42 PRIZM were added to the balance. And counter paramining reset to 0. That is, it was necessary to wait in this case for 3 minutes until the blockchain network confirmed the legitimacy of the transaction. Do not try to retry the transaction. Wait. At the time of the transaction, the system automatically makes a second entry with a message that new coins should be generated and credited to the address of your wallet. A few minutes later, you receive an incoming transaction from the generator of new coins marked paramining. This transaction. Simultaneously with this transaction, the system calculates for your purse new conditions of paramining, based on the new number of coins in your wallet and the total number of coins in the wallets of the followers. The mining pair counter starts again and continues to run until the next transaction. Here are the following transaction has been a member on this purse, and records paramining no. Why? 43:07 Because new coins in the amount corresponding to the counter value are added to the balance only after this amount exceeds 0.01. But since it took only about 8 minutes between the last paramining and new transaction, during this time, the counter paramining for this balance is not counted more than 0.01. Therefore, such a transaction as the transfer of a paramining in this case did not happen. This system works completely autonomously. In it there is no possibility of falsification and swindle, as all made actions are written down in the blockchain and stored at each user of the network who is engaged in forging of new blocks. It is very easy to check. Go to the page prism.space. Open Blockchain Explorer. In the search field, specify your wallet. And before you open the ledger from which you can get complete information about the transactions and charges on paramining. (45:01) Here we see a transaction through which from the wallet of the referrer was sent 2 coins to activate a new wallet. 2 coins. The commission on this transaction amounted to 0.05 coins PRIZM. And the accrual of new coins comes from Genesis. Genesis automatically makes the issue of new coins for all users of the network. Genesis is an account that generates anti-tokens, and its balance constantly goes into minus. You can always check the balance of Genesis. The number of anti-tokens corresponds to the number of coins on the wallets of all PRIZM users. Here in this particular case on the wallets of all users of PRIZM is 166670109.1 coins PRIZM. It is the world's only fair cryptocurrency, fully decentralized, open and safe to use. Start to use a prize in the daily payment today. And tomorrow you will see how the world around you begins to change for the better. May the power of PRIZM be with you.